Today we're going to be solving a limit using lhopital's rule, and it's not lhopital, the H is silent, lhopital. So you can use lhopital's rule if you're taking a limit and whatever you plug in this case 0, gives you an indeterminate form. And so let's see what happens if I plug in 0. Sine of 0 is 0. I get 0 minus 0 in the numerator, and 0 cubed is 0. That is an indeterminate form, so I can use L'Hopital's rule. And what does L'Hopital's rule do? It says I can evaluate this limit and get a correct answer if I take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator. Now, the derivative of the denominator is easier to do first, and the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And then minus the derivative of x, which is just 1. Now, if I plug in 0, well, cosine of 0 is 1, and 3 times 0 squared is 3 times 0, which is 0. And again, I get an indeterminate form. So what do I do now? I can use L'Hopital's again. So I'm going to keep using L'Hopital's until I get an answer. So the derivative of the denominator is going to be 3 times 2x, which will be 6x. The derivative of the numerator, well, the derivative of cosine of x is minus sine of x, and then minus the derivative of 1, which is 0. Now if I plug in 0, I am still getting an indeterminate form, so I will use L'Hopital's again. Okay, so I have minus, and the derivative of sine of x is cosine x, all over, and then the derivative of 6x is 6. Now if I plug in 0 for x, I'm going to get minus 1 over 6. And that is going to be my answer. So that limit, the original limit, is equal to -1/6. So I'm Dr. Sooze, and thanks for watching. Go to my YouTube page, like the channel, hit subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my other videos.